So we will be looking into the AI claims chart. This is a standard essential patent we're using from the Huawei portfolio related to TP, transit point muting for energy efficiency in VRAM. The AI claim chart essentially takes the individual claims, specifically independent claims, isolates the technical features that this independent claim consists of, and then breaks them into two different columns. On the left-hand side, that independent claim, which is marked by the orange box that we see. And then on the right-hand side, those technical features that are attached to that specific independent claim. To expand further to include those dependent claims, once the full list of independent claims are generated or simply loaded in, we can click into the dependent claims at the top over here to expand further and see what those dependent claims are pertaining to. This, of course, can be exportable and can be translated into its original language, as well as Mandarin, as well as Japanese. To further expand on the analysis in that regard, there is an AI claim chart at the top right over here, which if you click into, will produce this interface that we see. On the left being the same point of view we had earlier, on the right, the ability to add specific documents of choice. So let's say we're using the European publication or granted document of the same family. So once we have added loaded in, it will essentially look like we see over here. On the left being the US granted document, on the right being the European granted document. And then it produces for you a explanation of any presence in the description of this document, meaning was there any presence of this claim within the description of the European granted patent? If yes, there will be an explanation on the right-hand side here. So this uses our large language model, helps create a relationship between how the sentences are being crafted as well as how the words are being developed, so that it gives you a better understanding, especially when it comes to reviewing sets of claims, where those similarities lie and how you can best navigate that information. Those are, of course, connected to the original text. If you hover over the feature, you can click to see where it is located in the text that it is found in, on the US level and on the European level as well from the description. Once you're satisfied, you can export this information into an Excel sheet, and same as before, you can translate that information, same as in the original AI claim chart.